English dictation number 3, 100 word per minute. Start. It is the case of complaint that the accused is issued check at exhaust 23 to repay hand loan amount advanced to him. To prove this fact, the complaint has lead evidence by filing chief examination on affidavit. At exhaust 13, the complaint has retired all the averment of the complaint in his affidavit. It is the started by the complaint that he had advanced hand loan amount to the accused from time to time by checks as well as cash total worth of 1 lakh. It is also started by the complaint that the hand loan amount was issued and the amount received from PPF, GPF and leave salary. The check at exhaust 23 was issued by the accused to repay part payment of hand loan amount. The said check was dishonored for the reason amount closed by the bankers of accused. The accused has admitted receipt of hand loan amount from the complaint. The accused released defense that he has repaid entire amount to the complaint. The accused has admitted his signature bearing at exhaust 23 and admitted issuance of check to the complaint. However, accused claimed that the check was accused as security. Therefore, the burden as can accused to show that the check was issued as security. It is started by the complaint that till December 2007, the accused had received a cash amount from time to time at about worth of 1 lakh. In the statement US 313 of CRPC, the accused has contended that he has repaid entire amount to the complaint. It means the accused was taking hand loan from the complaint. Moreover, the accused has also admitted issuance of check to the complaint. Therefore, in view oral as well as documentary evidence adduced on record by the complaint, there is sufficient material to raise presumption in respect of check in question that it was drawn for consideration. In view of the such fact in circumstances, we have to consider the statutory presumption. The presumption arrays US 138 of NI Act provided more specifically that where any check is drawn by any person on an account for payment of any amount of money for the discharge in whole or in part of any debt or other liability is written by the draw bank unpaid either because of the amount of money standing to the credit of that account is insufficient to honor the check, said person shall be deemed to have committed an offense and shall be punished as per law. The accused has issued check to the complainant and did not make dispute of signature appearing on check. Therefore, the presumption US 139 of NI Act is request to be considered.